Copilot has a data analyst on staff. Most people have never asked it anything. This is Analyst, the data agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot. Today we get files in, run a real budget versus actuals analysis, read the code behind the numbers, and see what to do when a total looks wrong. Analyst is not chat with a spreadsheet attached. You upload files and ask in plain language, and it writes and runs Python in a Microsoft-managed sandbox with no internet access and no external packages. Chat retrieves and summarizes. Analyst computes. When the answer needs calculation, a join, or a chart, this is the tool. It lives in the left sidebar under Agents, pinned by Microsoft, and it is included in the paid Copilot license. These shots use the new design. If yours looks different, the toggle sits top right. The landing page is plain. A prompt box that asks what you want to analyze, 3 starter patterns, and your run history underneath. Data goes in through the plus button, and there are 3 routes. Work content from your tenant, uploads from your device, or cloud files. We upload 2 files from disk, a budget, and 6 months of actuals for a fictional project. Both files land as chips on the prompt box. One detail to know before you upload anything sensitive. Device uploads copy to your OneDrive, and the banner says so at the moment it happens. Before any analysis, ask it to describe the files and flag anything unusual. Unprompted, it caught all 3 traps we planted. A footer row holding a grand total, a duplicated invoice, and amount stored as text, because one value carried 1,000 separator. Good analysis starts with this reply. Then the analysis itself with the cleaning rules stated in the prompt. Exclude the footer row, drop the duplicate, convert to numeric, join on cost code, and show variance in dollars and percent. Long lead equipment comes back 17.8% over budget, and every line matches what the source files actually say. Here is a full run, sped up 5 times. The question asks for a monthly trend with a threshold flag. Analyst outlines its approach, writes the code, runs it, and lands a line chart, then flags the 2 months that broke the threshold and names the cost code that drove both. Every number has code behind it, and you can read it. Expand the reasoning panel, and the executed Python sits under coding and executing with a copy button. The older design had a standalone show code button. It now lives here. When a total looks wrong, this is where you find out why. Charts follow instructions when you give them. Chart type, axis labels, sort order, and separate colors for over and under budget, all in one sentence. Afterwards, it offers refinements on buttons, like currency formatting or percentage labels. When the analysis holds up, ask for the executive summary and ship it. The response menu offers edit in pages, export to Word, and schedule this prompt, which is exactly where the next episode goes. The whole session in one scroll. Upload, sanity check, cleaning rules, variance table, chart, summary. Files last only for the session, so keep the prompts that worked and re-upload next time. The written analyst guide with the role use cases and the limitations list is at kesslearnity.com/guides. Link below. This matches the live product as of July 22nd, 2026, and the description gets a note when Microsoft changes it. Next in the series, scheduled prompts, the Monday morning automation.